Hey Pre-K, good morning. Welcome back. I'm glad that you're here. It's a brand new day, and you know what we should do each day? We should start the day the right way, and that's by praying. So guys, let's fold our hands, bow our heads, close our eyes. Dear God, thank you for a brand new day. Thank you for fresh starts and new beginnings, and thank you that we can learn more. I'm so excited about all the new things that we get to do today. And I just ask that you would be with us through it all. In Jesus' name, amen. I am glad that God is with us through everything. Isn't that such a good reminder that God is always, remember that verse, I am with you always, I am with you, I am with you always. Isn't that awesome? Speaking of which, speaking of Bible verses, we just talked to God. Let's let God talk to us. Did you say it? Awesome. You guys know that God talks to us in the Bible. It's one of the ways that God talks to us. I love hearing from God in the Bible. So we have our new verse, guys. This is it. Final day, because tomorrow I'm going to try to do a marathon Bible verse review. Every single verse. So guys, can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it? Come on, guys. I'm super excited. For now, for today, we're just going to do this week's, and it's super easy, right? God is love. So say it with me, guys. Are you ready? God is love. God is love. 1 John 4, verse 8. Again. God is love. God is love. 1 John 4, verse 8. Good job, guys. What if I don't say any words this time? Can you guys do it if I just like kind of hum and do the motions? 1, 2, 3. One more time. Good job, guys. I think tomorrow is going to be a good Bible verse review where we can think about all those things that we've been learning over the year from the very beginning, from that in the beginning verse. Remember that very first one? In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. All the way from that to God is love. I think you guys are going to do great. I'm super excited. Well, let's take a peek at our calendar, guys. You'll notice that our field trip is coming up. And congratulations to Nolan for being the first one to figure out that we're going to learn about otters tomorrow. I'm so excited. You guys, so many of you had really, really good guesses. And I'm really proud of you all for thinking and trying to figure it out and saying, oh, maybe it's not that animal. And processing through what animal lives in the water, what animal sometimes comes out. You guys had a lot to think about, and you gave me some really good answers, and some of your answers I really am interested in learning more about, and I thought, wow, they gave me some good ideas. I like it. Nolan, I can't believe that you figured out that it was otters. How did you do that? You must be a pretty smart kid. Well, tomorrow, come back and watch our field trip video about otters. And you get to see this one, oh my goodness, this one otter. It's so cute. He does tricks and it's just so fun. And I love hearing about the life of otters and learning more about God's creation. It's super cool. And that's going to be tomorrow. Another thing about tomorrow is that I saw Mrs. Smith put in the email that we are going to be having a sports day tomorrow. I'm super excited about having like a dress-up day, guys. And so tomorrow, when you watch the videos, you will see me in my sports clothes. I really only have like one sports shirt. It's one t-shirt, and that's like the only sports shirt that I have. And I have it specifically for when we have a sports day. And so tomorrow I get to wear it. It's like my one time of the year. And so you can see me wearing my sports shirt, and I hope you get to wear yours too. I want to see I want to see how many of you get dressed up too with me. Super excited. Okay, well that's all tomorrow. We got field trip fun. We got sports day fun. Oh my goodness, it's going to be an awesome day, but today is a great day too. Let's put a number up on the calendar and see what today is. All right, guys, let's take a look. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, keep going, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. What's the after number? 22, 23. It is 23. But before I turn it around and show you, what does 23 look like? What does 23 start with? Okay, a 2. It starts with a 2, and then there's a number 23. It's a 2 and a 3. It is a 2 and a 3. Look at you guys being so smart. 23. I'm going to stick that up here on the calendar. And oh man, look at that. I just can't wait for tomorrow. I'm so excited. Our big field trip and dressing up like sports, and it's going to be such an awesome day. I'm so excited. And I love Fridays. I think Fridays are just awesome. Let's see what day of the week it is today. If we go up, 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 up. Ooh, we're right over here. So let's see here. That's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Hey, if today is Thursday, what will tomorrow be? Thursday, Friday. Excellent. So today's Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Let's find out what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna get out my folder and take a peek. There's not too many papers left in here, guys. I can't believe how fast all this is going, but we're gonna get out our week 5. And remember, we're not doing all the papers in the paper clip. We just get out the papers that we need for today. The ones that are stapled together. The other ones I'm gonna put back in the paper clip and keep for tomorrow. But these are for today. What day are we at today? Day 22. We are in day 22. Guys, you have done a lot of days of e-learning. I'm super proud of you for still working hard, and you guys are going to be like so ready for kindergarten. I'm super excited. This is awesome. So day 22. Now, you know a lot of what we're doing already. You guys, you know it. You're going to watch the videos. There's going to be like reading book stuff. There's reading book videos. There's going to be a gym class video. There's going to be a story time video. And then there's this video. It's you guys, you know what we're doing. You got this. And I have a list on the page. So if you ever think, uh-oh, did I do everything? Just check that list on the computer. Do your work, which we'll talk about in a minute. Move for 30 minutes. You know what and part of your moving for 30 minutes could totally be that gym video. It's a lot of fun, guys. It's all these fun dances. Oh my goodness, I'm super excited. It's so fun, and that could be a really good way to move today. Listen to the story and read a story that you like at your house, and reading group time. No problem, guys. Today's gonna be no problem. Seriously, I'm excited. Okay, here we go. Ooh, the first thing is a page about plants. Remember, we're still kind of learning about plants this week. I love learning about plants and things that grow, especially in the springtime. We're in the season of spring now, and spring is when things like tend to spring up out of the ground and they grow, and I just love it. I love seeing plants start to grow and the trees start to get green again, and it's so exciting. I love seeing the new growth. So this first page talks about what plants need. What do plants need to grow? Because we talked about how plants start as a seed. They start as a little seed, and then they actually grow up with the stem, and they grow down with the root into the dirt. So how do they grow? How do they do that? What do they need? Because, you know, you grow and you get bigger and you get taller. What do you need to grow? You need like food and drink and exercise and yep, right? Yeah. And the same with plants. Plants need things too. One of the things that a plant needs in order to grow is sunlight. A plant needs sunlight. Actually, this is part of what it needs to make food so that it can grow and keep living. It also needs water, either from a watering can or the rain. But a plant needs to have water and sun, and a plant also needs to have dirt, or they use the fancy word soil. You could also call the dirt soil. Did you know that's another word for dirt? Isn't that funny? Soil. That's kind of a weird word, isn't it? So water, sun, soil, or dirt, and air. And so these four things are what help a plant to grow and stay alive. So you're going to trace each of the words and then color the pictures. I colored us, I traced each of the words, and then I started coloring a little bit to kind of show you. I used some blue and some yellow and some orange and some brown. I didn't quite finish, but I showed you what you're going to do. So those are the four things. I want you to remember these four things because it goes into another one of our papers that we're going to do. So these are the four things that a plant needs to grow. Okay, now we have a math paper, a number paper. And this is a chance to practice your adding, your addition. When we say 1 plus 2 more equals how many altogether? This is what you're going to do here. So you're going to, I'll show you, I did the first one to show you. The first one, there are 2 dogs over here and 2 dogs over here. So I said 2 dogs plus, they already have the plus there for me, 2 more dogs. 2 dogs plus 2 more dogs. See, I have 2 plus 2 more equals, how many is it all together? 4. And you know how I can check and make sure? I can say 1, 2, 3, 4. Or I could even just say, okay, I know that I said this was 2, so I can start at 2 already and keep going from 2. I can go 2, 3, 4. 4. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. And I wrote that down here. You're going to see how many mice there are. There's some here, and then there's one more. You're going to see how many cats there are. There's one here, and then there's some more. How many fish? There's 2 here, and then one more. And then I put a check mark because it says I can add and subtract in many ways. Now, we haven't done subtraction, but it's kind of just the other way around. But if you do it right, you can let your mom or dad give you a check mark too. And if you feel like kind of practicing taking away some, you could practice that too. You guys, if you feel ready, go do it. I love it. The last paper is a writing prompt, and it says plants need. So we're going to do some writing, and we talked about 4 things that plants need: water and sun and dirt or soil, and air. And so I just couldn't decide. I couldn't pick one. I said, oh man, it's too hard. Do I pick rain or sun or air or dirt, soil? What do I pick? I don't know. And so I said, I got to pick all 4. So I put all 4 on my paper. Check this out, guys. You're going to think this is crazy. Look at my paper. Oh my goodness. I said plants need, that's a T, by the way. You can hardly see where I crossed it. Plants need sun, rain, dirt, and air. Plants need sun, rain, dirt, and air. And I put an exclamation point because I'm saying it like, this is what they need. They have to have that in order to grow. And then I put my name at the bottom, and then I drew a picture, and I put a sun, I put rain, I put a flower pot with dirt, and I put kind of like, I don't know, looks like maybe the wind or something. I don't know. The air is actually like invisible, so I couldn't draw a very good picture of it, but I kind of made it look like maybe wind blowing. So I can't wait to see what you guys do. If you would show me your picture, show me what you did. And another thing you could do, which would be even better, ready for a challenge? I'm trying to give challenges for those of you who are ready for some challenges. If you are ready for a challenge, also label some things up here maybe. Maybe you could say, oh, this is a sun, S-U-N. Oh, this is a cloud or rain, and or you could write pot, P-O-T, and you could put dirt or soil or something. We wrote soil on the other paper, and you could write air or wind. You can write wind, or you could have help writing air. I'd love to see what you come up with on your paper, guys. All right, good luck today, and I can't wait to see what you guys do.